Full stand slim light books includes a slim light books and a full stand. It is used widely at restaurants, coffee store, shopping center, exhibition, retail shops, office, and so on. The tempered glass face is clear and anti-scratching, and protects the post very well. It's high bright and even illuminating. Its outer thin, only 10 mm thickness. Its border is on the 8 mm, very narrow. The direction of the slim light books could be adjustable freely. Assemble the full stand first. Adjust the height of full stand. Install the slim light books on the full stand. Connecting the wires. Turn on the power. Insert the post from the edge. Adjust the direction of the slim light books. It's ready to display advertisements.